How to clean your liver in 3 days. The liver is one of the most vital organs in the body, responsible for detoxifying the bloodstream, producing bile, and metabolizing nutrients. Over time, toxins from processed foods, alcohol, and environmental pollutants can burden the liver, impacting its function. While the body has natural mechanisms to detoxify itself, adopting specific practices can help support liver health. Here's a step-by-step guide to a gentle 3-day liver cleanse. What is a liver cleanse? A liver cleanse involves eating nutrient-dense, liver-supporting foods, drinking plenty of fluids, and avoiding substances that strain the liver. Unlike extreme detox plans, this 3-day approach is designed to be safe, nourishing, and effective without causing stress to the body. Day 1. Prepare your body. 1. Hydration is key. Start your day with a large glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon stimulates bile production, helping the liver eliminate waste. Aim to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. 2. Avoid toxins. Eliminate alcohol, caffeine, processed foods, and sugary snacks. These substances can overwork the liver and interfere with its natural cleansing processes. 3. Focus on liver-friendly foods. Incorporate these foods into your meals. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and arugula support liver detoxification. Beets. High in antioxidants and nitrates, beets help improve liver function. Garlic. Contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and glutathione, which supports detoxification. 4. Herbal support. Drink herbal teas like dandelion root, milk thistle, or turmeric tea. These herbs have been traditionally used to support liver health and reduce inflammation. Day 2. Cleanse and nourish. 1. Start the day with a detox drink. Blend the following ingredients into a smoothie for breakfast. 1 cup of spinach, 1 small beetroot, 1 green apple, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of coconut water. This drink provides fiber, antioxidants, and hydration to help the liver flush out toxins. 2. Eat smaller, frequent meals. Large meals can burden the liver. Opt for smaller, nutrient-rich portions, such as a salad with olive oil and lemon dressing, or a bowl of vegetable soup with turmeric and ginger. 3. Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats from sources like olive oil, nuts, and seeds help the liver process and eliminate toxins. 4. Sweat it out. Engage in light exercise like yoga or walking to promote circulation and encourage toxin elimination through sweat. Day 3. Restore and rejuvenate. 1. Focus on fiber. Fiber-rich foods like flax seeds, oats, and broccoli help bind toxins in the digestive tract and support their removal from the body. 2. Add probiotics. Support gut health with fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut. A healthy gut microbiome reduces the toxic load on the liver. 3. Rest and relax. The liver regenerates most effectively when the body is at rest. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and practice relaxation techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, to reduce stress. 4. Finish with a herbal cleanse tea. End the day with a cup of liver-cleansing tea made with milk thistle, peppermint, and ginger. These herbs soothe the liver and promote digestion. Tips for long-term liver health. While this 3-day cleanse can give your liver a refreshing boost, maintaining liver health requires consistent effort. Here are some tips to keep your liver in peak condition. Limit alcohol and processed foods. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Stay physically active. Avoid unnecessary medications or supplements. Stay hydrated daily. A 3-day liver cleanse can help reset your body, improve energy levels, and enhance overall well-being. This approach focuses on supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes without extreme measures or deprivation. By following these simple steps, you can give your liver the care it deserves and set the foundation for long-term health. Consult your healthcare provider before starting any detox program, especially if you have pre-existing conditions.